All right, so you want to find out about what's involved with swapping out a Marpost gauge head with the Diatron gauge head. There really shouldn't be any problem doing that. Marpost uses the same threads that we do, and the handles are different, but they're not that dissimilar. The main difference is the end of our handle doesn't have as many parts as you could take out as the Marpost handle does. So at least in the pictures you sent, it looked like a lot of that handle, the end of it was missing. The good news is we don't have to check the handle so much because sometimes that can be difficult to see from the shoulder of the stop to the contact point exactly what that distance is. If you find a plug that's working with the Marpost holder, and if you take that plug out, you have then access to the Marpost plug and you can check their dimensions versus ours. What's critical really is the distance from the face that you're resting on to where the needle hits the, will come up and hit the internal probe that's inside the handle. And in this case, that is 21.61 millimeters. As long as you're at about that distance, you should be fine. So if tomorrow you want to get the handle, the pieces of the handle, the Marpost plugs that you have, we could do a quick job of comparing the two different things and making sure everything is going to line up. Again, that dimension, 26.5 millimeters, 26.6 millimeters is what we're looking for. And that's going to be from this shoulder to the needle, and that is what's going to go inside the handle. Again, this is our handle. The Marpost handle should have pretty much the same dimensions for it.